well, and I've got a larger offering from Branson now.
75 horsepower.
Yeah.
Right? Now we do hear people sort of say that I don't need all the bells and whistles. Well, you haven't got them.
You don't get them in this tractor, no.
However, four-wheel drive, 75 horsepower, their own engine and everything, right? You've got here, you've got your, that is your Rangers. You've got 4 Rangers there.
Yeah.
PTO. And did you see, there's, what was it on there? There's like a 540, there's a 750
Yeah,
and then a 1000.
and a 1000
So
speed.
it's like a mid-speed.
Yeah.
So you got controls there for a loader and whatever.
Yeah.
Gearbox. What you've got is a manual transmission, 4-speed, so quite nice. Down beside you,
Button on the side.
button on the side there, which I assume would be a splitter.
Yeah.
Manual spool. How about that?
I've seen one of them before
You
somewhere.
have, yeah. No, all right. We haven't got the thumb bit on there, so they got just on it.
No, but a lot
But
of people
very
recognise
similar to the old 110 series JDs.
Yeah.
So I wonder if we've got in the back there.
That does, yeah.
Yes, it has. Look at
That's
that.
what we want, isn't it? Look at that.
Awesome, isn't it? How
It's
good is that?
lovely little touch.
So
it is.
up and down on there. I mean, that, as I said, I've always said this. You know, I'm a big.
love them.
That shape is what I like. I think that's brilliant.
Yeah.
Absolutely brilliant. So there, linkage control
On a budget tractor like this.
is absolutely fantastic.
Yeah.
I'd buy that.
Just for that. Just for that.
I think that's awesome.
Yeah, that's worth the money on its
Deere
own.
should never have got rid of that system or something similar to that. How nice is that? That's brilliant. What a nice, nice little touch. But anyway, tell you what, a lot of room in here.
Yeah.
If you
Handful
had
down here.
If the seat was up, you may be a bit limited on the top headroom, but I don't know. I think you'd what be about here. It'd be all right.
Yeah.
You know.
Few cubbyholes. Cup holder there. Good visibility.
Well, once you pop the window open, you can see out all right.
Yeah,
you
you've
can
got
see the back end.
good visibility there. See what's going on.
And you've got obviously forward and reverse shuttle.
Yeah.
So, you know,
It's
if
all there, isn't it? You know.
If you want 75 horse, something simple, straightforward, no nonsense, right? You got to put a loader on it, or you know, as I said, you can say a small, well, it could be a large smallholders tractor,
Yeah.
or a small sort of larger arable farm tractor. Make a nice stock tractor.
Feeder wagon, whatever.
Feeder wagon,
Yeah.
whatever, as I said, because you're not, I mean, that's easy to clean as well. You
Yeah.
haven't got cloth and, you know, nice stuff.
All smooth plastic,
Wipe
easy
all
to wipe down.
But anyway, as good as everything else is, I will take you straight back to that. I think that's brilliant.
You love that,
I love
don't you?
that. No, that is what it's all about. That is where a controller should be and how it should be. It just works right. Look, up and down, and you just tweak it like that. Look. Brilliant. Made my day, that.
That's made your day.
Made my day. For a colour.
Oh,
Not
that.
like somebody's 80s bathroom, is
Yeah.
it?
I like your plough. Anyway.
Nice plough.
Yeah.
Big plough.
Initial looks, you say, oh, it's a Dowsel, but it ain't a Dowsel. You can't get them anymore, can you?
It's a Cuba.
Yeah.
It's made by Agriculture.
Agri-Hire, you also do the
Southern.
spreaders. Yeah.
So when Dow's will stop producing ploughs, they'll make wear parts and stuff. They
Yeah, still do the parts.
When they stop producing ploughs, Agri-Hire took on the design, and yeah, they've basically gone right through all the pieces where they would maybe
Crack
twist and crack,
yeah.
whatever, beefed it up.
Beefed it up, and it's beef. I mean, I've looked at KVs and Lemkins, and this is a lot bigger plough than they are. They've really gone to town on it.
Like with the leg holders, these used to be a two-piece
Yeah,
on the Dow. These are a single piece.
yeah. So, look down there.
Yeah. Good old bit of kit.
Oh, this is something that caught our eye at Agritechnica, wasn't it, mate?
And before that, it caught our eye at SEMA, if you remember.
Oh, so yeah.
Bigger. That was the bigger model, which they're going to be introducing
Yeah.
later on this year.
It's 160 horse, wasn't it, or something? But this is an S130, so 130 horse.
So, they're a very old Italian family that have produced these machines. Yeah, I mean, I just like it. Because, again, simplicity.
Yeah.
Right, what we got here? We have got a manual gearbox. It's 5-speed splitters. You got a shuttle. You got
power shuttle there.
your spools there. Sort of manual spools. Just again, white clean.
Nice and simple.
Just simple. Again, what people are saying, I don't want this. I don't want an electron. I don't need all the technology. You don't. All right, fair enough. You've got to be having a look at something like this. But tell you what, look at the dash. That's quite automotive in the respect that it looks like a car.
It does look like a car dash, yeah.
That's quite nice. I
Yeah.
like that. I do like that. Something about that. Anyway,
It's a lot place for the radio, but you know, it's
well, it's there. Once you got your channel set, you're on, aren't you?
Yeah,
Really.
yeah.
So, you know, in these days and age, you know, with your Bluetooth and stuff like that, it's not really an issue. It's quite actually a good view down the back end.
yeah. That's nice cab, really, isn't it?
So I like it. I do like this. I do.
I say it's very automotive, isn't
It is,
it?
it's
It
like
almost
saying
looks
car
out
and
of
truck.
place in a tractor, but
Yeah, because we're not used to
Yeah.
it. But you know, fresh air vents,
Yeah.
straight in your face, you know, cool
Where you want
yourself, or down on your legs if you're cold, you know, and you can warm yourself up, whatever. Yeah, as I said, no frills, just an honest tractor, but I do like it. As I said, it caught my eye. I don't know whether it's the colour. Or what's different, isn't it? It's not your normal.
Yeah.
It's a different green.
Different green,
nice
isn't it?
light coloured cab. How that would stand up to wear and tear and dirt, I don't know. Depends who had it, I suppose. Some will keep them clean. I mean, say Massey's are a light colour inside.
they're very similar colour, aren't they? Yeah.
Inside they're a light colour, but yeah, gear stick beside you here. That's quite nice.
Yeah.
Sort of thought out. Say the Carrera front axle. Yeah. Again, I think these guys are now starting to push into the UK. We saw them when they were prototypes. If you're looking for a tractor of this size, 130 horse, I think you've got to have a look at it.
It doesn't cost something to have a demo, does it? You might be surprised.
Yeah, but yeah, I do. As I said, I do like it. A bit quirky.
Yeah.
It's all right. It's all right.
Yeah.
I mean, I know it's a bit bigger, but it's probably 3.1 metre, I think.
Yeah, 310, isn't it? Yeah.
And it's, you know, hydraulic offset and everything.
Connell.
Yeah, I mean,
Yeah, just offset a bit off the tractor, doesn't it? So you're not, you can get up,
you can, yeah.
get away from the edge or whatever,
That's
can't
right.
you? Yeah.
Lovely. I mean, yeah, that's going to take a hammer and
Yeah. There's some thick old plate in there, isn't there?
Yeah. That's really nice. 36, 440. Then you got a choice of variable transmission or 36, 12.
What's this? He's given the option of a small tractor with a choice of transmissions.
Yeah.
But it's still quite laid out quite simply in here, isn't it?
Yeah.
You got actually laid out quite nicely there. You got your 3 mechanical spools. You got what's like a 4-speed gearbox with a power shift gear on it, or 2,
Right.
or 3 probably. You got a 3-speed ranges.
That will give you your 36 forward.
Yeah. Again, being a little tractor with probably a loader on it, it's got a sunroof on it, so you can see the top of your loader, a little bit of airy. Okay, it's a nice airy cab, 4-post cab, isn't it?
It is indeed.
And quite a bit of room. I'm 6'3" and I can stretch my leg out if I need to.
Yeah.
So we've got, now you've got your PTO selector there.
Selector.
Eco and not well, it's for your eco and your normal speed. You're right with that camera. You got your PTO selector there, pickup hitch, release cable there. Yeah, it's good enough, you know. What we got here then, Mark?
Well, all right. So we said we're going to look at smaller tractors. You know. However, there's also another market. Don't forget, even smaller.
Yeah, little
So,
compact tractors like
yes,
this.
because the uses for these on farms, or whatever, you've got to scraper tractor,
Yeah.
yard tractor.
Yeah.
So if you've got a large livestock unit and you want something that's nimble, agile, and whatever for scraping, cleaning out, whatever, bedding down. Plus, you've got your paddock work, your pasture top and stuff like
Yeah,
that.
all that little stuff, yeah.
Something like this, I reckon, is ideal. So, 47 horse, this one.
Yeah. Branson's own engine as well, isn't it?
So they're a South
Yeah.
Korean company. They're owned by a, they are a big, they make industrial engines and
Yeah.
whatever. Branson apparently was the name of a dealer they had in America,
Yeah,
in the USA.
yeah.
They kept that name. So
Just get the name like, yeah,
Right.
that's where it comes from.
But, tell you what, look at this little thing. So you've got your 3 ranges here, manual. You've got side sticks, so you've got your 4-speed here. It's manual again, but it's a shuttle.
Yeah, you've got a shuttle,
You've got a shuttle,
yeah.
all right? Forward, reverse, throttle. I mean, everything you want is here. I think that's quite a nice looking little thing.
Yeah, it looks good, doesn't it?
Yeah.
I like the fact that you've got tin work.
You got proper
Yeah,
tin
proper
work.
tin
It's
work.
decent tin work.
Yeah, it's thick old stuff.
Yeah, like as I said, you start, right, you've got a big unit and you've got an old scraper tractor, an old 3000 and stuff like that.
Yeah.
Right? She's covered in, caked up and lathered in, crap and whatever, and it's rotted out eventually.
Yeah.
Oh, engine's gone porous or whatever. You think that's right? We'll get another one at a
Yeah,
sale.
we'll go up
no,
for
you ain't
sale.
doing it now, because all the classic collectors want them.
They were 8-10 grand, didn't they? Something silly.
So, you can then start, if you're going to pay that money, you have to new with a warranty.
Yeah, exactly.
That's what I said. So I just think there is a viable option for something like this. Especially if you're doing a bit of, say, paddock work.
Yeah.
Nice enough, same sort of size as, let's just say, a 135 or whatever. You're not paying that collector's premium price
No.
for an old tractor.
You something brand new,
Brand new.
warranty.
Yeah. 4-wheel drive.
Yeah.
Spot on, isn't it?
Yeah, lovely little machine.
I like it.